Today we will learn a very useful word, alternative. It means having another choice or option. This word helps you talk about different possibilities in life. Alternative means a different option or choice you can pick instead of the first one. It shows there is more than one way to do something. Some learners confuse alternative with opposite. But alternative just means another choice, not the exact opposite. Remember, it's about options, not opposites. Common patterns are alternative to, alternative choice, alternative energy, or alternative plan. You can also say, we need an alternative solution. Here are some examples. I prefer an alternative route to avoid traffic. Solar power is an alternative energy source. If you don't like coffee, tea is a good alternative. They found an alternative plan when the first one failed. Anna wanted to travel by car, but the car broke down. Luckily, she found an alternative, a bus. This saved her trip and showed how important alternatives can be. Think of the word alternative like a fork in the road. Each path is a different option or choice you can take. This helps you remember it means another choice. Remember, alternative means another option. Try to use it today and comment your own sentences with alternative.